Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new Louis Vuitton item. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Carla and on this channel I share ideas on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If these kinds of things interest you, then please subscribe down below. So I've been looking for this item for quite some time now. I started looking in the spring and noticed that they started to sell out. And then fall came along and really wanted the item. Noticed they were all sold out, but something told me to call the 1-800 number. I did and was able to purchase the item. So the item came in this humongous box, which I'm going to be opening. It's so heavy. So here's the box. It's huge, like I mentioned. And oh my god, it's wrapped so beautiful. I love the little tag right here. Love that print, love the color. This is just the envelope that my receipts are in. So yeah, this is the item. How pretty is this little tag right here? I'm so excited to open this thing. Most of the items I purchase I use often, and I know I'm gonna get so much use out of these because it's an everyday item. So let's open this up. Here they both are. So as you can see, there's a pair of shoes. Let's start with this one, and oh my god, I can't wait to see them. There's some black rain boots. If you've seen any of my essential videos, you know that I love black boots, especially rain boots. I find them to be such an essential because you can wear them all year round. It's not like you can only wear them in the spring or in the fall when it's raining. I love wearing rain boots in the snow because they're slip resistant and they're also water resistant, so it's not like I'm gonna damage the actual shoe. But yeah, I love these. So it has the monogram or the LV all over the shoe in this section. This right here is plain. It has the perfect size heel. That was one of my concerns. I just also hope these fit. I got these in a 39. The inside says Louis Vuitton Paris. Not sure if you saw that. But yeah, I'm going to grab the other one and I'm going to try them on because I want to make sure that they actually fit. I love how these look. It also says, or it has the LV logo right on the bottom. Oh my god, this is so cool. And then also right here, as you can see, it's part of the regular Louis Vuitton monogram that you have also right here. I'm so excited. Hopefully they fit me. Yes. Oh my god, they fit me. Oh, what a sigh of relief. I was so afraid they wouldn't fit. And I wore them with thick socks because I need thick socks when I'm wearing these in the winter. They fit perfect. I'm going to show you guys and I want you guys to tell me what you think about them. Oh my god, they're so comfortable. I'm so excited. As you can tell, I'm sorry, I'm probably screaming in your ear, but oh my god, I love them, guys. I'm so excited that I got them. So excited. Let me know down below what you think of these shoes. I'm so excited that I was able to get them. I'm gonna wear these so much. So happy that I got a hold of them. In the box, there was also this little bag here. Let's see what's in here. A little small, little cute Louis Vuitton perfume. A trial size perfume. Let's smell it. It smells so nice. I swear, Louis Vuitton is always after my money. And to be honest, I don't mind giving it to them. Also, this cute little tag that came with it. In here, all it has is, I believe these are little care instructions. Oh, actually it's just a tag where you just write someone's name on it, or like a little note if you're giving these to someone for Christmas or something. I'm going to share the price with you guys, which should be in here. So these shoes cost, it doesn't say it on the actual receipt, it says contact center because I did call to purchase this item, so I'm going to have to look it up. Okay, so these are called the Drops Flat Half Boot, and I got them in a size 39 once again, and these are $470. Like I said to you, they're actually all out of stock. So if you really want these, I would try to contact the Louis Vuitton 1866 number. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I'm so excited that I was able to get these boots and that I was able to share them with you guys. Please remember to count your blessings and be grateful. Remember to be kind to others. Also remember to subscribe down below. Until next time.